Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in British Pound US Dollar currency pairs. And as I had explained earlier, the present currency pair price action is in a downtrend. You can notice that it is clearly going on a downside. And it is trading within a channel pattern. It has tested on the bottommost support, resistance, again support. Again, I am expecting it to test this resistance over here. While this price action is moving, we can notice that range of trading is actually getting reduced. In this area also it has come down. We can notice that the bearish trend is very strong, whereas the bullish side, it is very restricted. And here also it is taking a very strong support at this support level over here. So it is finding difficulty in breaking this strong support over here. And on the bullish side also, it cannot move that well. I have drawn a temporary central support or resistance line to actually make the price action understandable. Whenever it is testing the mid line, you can notice that the trend reversal is happening. And next time when it goes, it breaks this resistance and goes and tests this resistance over here. Next time when it falls also, it has taken the support over here and went up, tested this resistance area, then it has fallen down. Presently also when you notice it, it is trying to test this resistance over here, but still it hasn't tested this resistance. Already we can notice that the trend reversal is happening over here. So from this chart pattern we can understand that bearish trend is very strong. Even if it bounces back, we are expecting it to test this level over here because this is being acting as a very strong resistance, the blue color area, and then we can expect the market to trend back and stop at this support over here or to bridge this support and test this bottommost dynamic support. So presently the trend is still on the downside, but it is taking longer to break this support level. As long as this dynamic resistance is holding, the bearish market continues. So it has to break these two levels of resistance areas to actually start its bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I am in hourly time frame now. I have drawn a very nice trend line over here. It has properly respected the trend line. Now we are seeing a bearish trend reversal. Or even if it comes up, it can test over here. There is a central resistance line and also presently drawn resistance line. So presently the market is on a bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. When we see the overall price action in 30 minutes time frame, it is a range bound market. You can notice that the price from here has fallen down and tested this support level. Again it is bouncing back and trying to test this resistance again. But on the way it doesn't have enough strength to go on a bullish trend. Presently we are seeing a trend reversal. I have drawn the support line also. It can take support over here, a bullish trend, and test this resistance over here. Overall, market don't have enough bullish strength to break this resistance level over here. Let us mark the trading ranges for today. This is going to be acting as a support, the earlier support also, and next support is going to be over here. Next resistance is going to be over here, and next resistance is going to be over here. I have taken the ranges from the previous support and resistance, and presently the market is in a range bound market and it is on a downtrend now. Only when it breaks this support level over here, we can expect it to test this bottommost support level over here. Please mark these ranges in your chart also and trade accordingly. Plan your entry and exit accordingly. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, press that like button and share this video with your friends.